was making the wife a bowl. And
baby?
Yeah.
I don't know what's in this box, but it better be good. I want to see, I want to see. What is that, hate mail?
Now what am I gonna do with that? I have an idea. Should work. I've seen it on YouTube. But I wonder if I could color it. Yeah. That should work. And that's gonna be perfect.
Well, that looks familiar.
That struck me funny. So we'll take this off, flip it around, put it on the chuck. There's a couple that I'm gonna have to go back and refill. I mean, for cracked is all get out end grain. I mean, that's turning beautifully. So Dan, if you have the other piece that's not as cracked, it's gonna be sweet. Now he had asked about you know, recesses and tenons. With something cracked this bad, I would have absolutely used a tenon, because it already wants to blow apart. So I know it looks like dust coming out of there, but it's really not, look. What are you doing?
Looking for your brand.
Okay, a few days later, got even more resin stuck in there. This is gonna be the last attempt. It's either gonna work or it ain't gonna work. About the only options.
Mrs. Peacock in the kitchen with the sledgehammer.
Dan Scott sent me a bowl.
God, what'd you send him?
All right, here she is. That was a big void right there. Well, it ain't together. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it is together. It's actually been quite challenging. He says it's white oak. I don't believe it. It turns like nothing I've ever turned before, but there you go. I hope she likes it. Off to the post office. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that little video. My attempt at some comedy, I guess. Make sure you go check out Dan Scott's video. Links down below. I'm gonna go have my coffee and get to work. Y'all have a wonderful day.